my god, look at this, how beautiful it is. Perfect for my burong mangga or mango pickles. Hello everyone! Hello mga sisi! I wish all of you have a nice day. So for today, join with me. I'm going to share to you everyone how I'm going to make my simple burong mangga or mango pickles made from scratch, because I'm using only what's the available ingredients that I have here in the house. So this is it, all the ingredients that I have. So I'm going to make burong mangga, or it's called mango pickles, my version. So yeah, join with me and happy watching. So this is all our ingredients. We have sugar, and of course the main ingredients, which is mango. I have 2 big mango. And of course, I'm using DIY bottle. I'm going to sterilize it later. And I have 1 cup of vinegar. And of course, salt. And red chili. And of course, I love to add 1 cloves of garlic. And that's it. My all ingredients for today. So yeah. Oh my god, look at this, how beautiful it is. Perfect for my burong mangga or mango pickles. So I'm going to slice it and I'll be back later.
A few moments later.
So alam nyo ba, ito yung mangga na binili ko last 4 days ago. Green pa siya noon, and then nung kakainin ko na, hindi talaga namin siya kayang kainin kasi super asim talaga. So after 4 days, I realized na para makain ko ito na hindi ako nahihirapan kasi sobrang asim. Kasi sa pagbalat ko pa lang, ako ay sobrang asim na. So I said I'm going to make burong mangga or mango pickle. So yeah. Mango is ready! So mag-aantay lang po tayo ng few minutes kasi pinapakuluan ko yung bottle, and then I'm going to start to arrange these mango slices through the bottle. So ang ganda ng kulay. Hey mga sisi! I'm going to start. So already sterilized this bottle. This is DIY only. This is only the bottle that I have. And now I'm going to add the right mango. So just like that. And then I'm going to add the red chili. 1 clove of garlic and mango again. Hindi ko na siya i-arrange ng super arrange. Ganyan na lang siya. Parang kulang yung ano ko, yung garapon. Oh, sorry. Press down. Pagkasyahin ko na lang. Just like that. So now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt and teaspoon of sugar. Yan, puno na siya. And then of course, I'm going to pour the vinegar. O, diba? Bumaba na siya. And then, iaano lang natin siya. Ilalagay sa ref ng mga kahit 2 araw bago natin siya kainin. Para mag-absorb yung mga lasa niya. Yung anghang, yung tamis, yung asim, yung alat from asin. So, that's it. Hindi na napuno. Yan, okay na yan. Perfect na yan. So, meron pang natira. So, kakainin na lang namin ito. So, ito na po. Ready na po yung mango pickles natin. And, yeah. Punong-puno po siya. And, ayan po siya. Ilalagay ko po ito sa ref ng mga 2 to 3 days bago siya kainin para mas malasa at masarap. So, disclaimer, this is my version. Mango pickles from scratch only. So, ang lagayan ko ay DIY lang yan, kaya hindi ko pinapakita. It's not sponsor. So, ay ganon.